What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy EG. You know what's going on, man. Saturday, I think it's July 25th. So I'm on my way to a car meet right now, man. I'm gonna meet TG out there. He's already out there, man. He's putting his Cadillac in it. They said there's a lot of cars there, so I'm on my way, man. I'll be there in like 15 minutes. Make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe, man. I know I've been kind of slacking lately, but I'm trying to get back into it, man. Hey, man, I'm just trying to get some motivation. And sometimes I get tired of making these videos. Like, not tired, but you know, just want to change up the content a little bit. So I've been trying to brainstorm and think of different ideas, but nonetheless, we on our way. Stay tuned, man. Yeah, man, let's get it. All right, y'all, we just made it out here to this little car show. I'm walking over right now, so I'm gonna throw you on the gimbal when you get there. Stay tuned, man. Like I said, make sure you drop a like on this video right now. All right, y'all, we just pulled up, man. Started off right. We got this bagged Honda. I've seen this a few times. Different car shows. Got the Lambo doors. Stop playing, man. Little 300. Color's crazy.
Go speak with Pat, Gabriel, or Jack. They are available, also providing Medicare services. Go see them, and they'll have a let them know. Hey, I also came in for that free summer tote bag.
Y'all, look at this interior on it. Look at the chairs in here. How do you even drive this thing?
They
got food trucks here. Oh, we got a Camaro rolling through. Things sound good. Yo, he bought the Cadillac out. Hey, this is the first time I'm seeing this thing at an actual car show, though. Apparently he entered it right next to the Corvette. There he is. You entered it?
Huh?
You entered it?
Yeah. My bad.
What's up, Chanel?
Yeah, when we put in all these other cars in here. And they're like, park right here. And we're like, alright.
Right next to the C8?
Yeah.
Okay.
They stopped us.
Got to do a walk around on this thing. Got the 24s with the matching steering wheel. Come on now. Tough. Y'all mess with the setup or nah? Let me know. Y'all, I actually did another video with this thing that I never posted, but I'm thinking about posting it. Is it 7.0, right?
7.7.
Dang.
Big block, 472.
Alright, y'all, we got the C8. I'm gonna have to mute some of that music, y'all, because I don't want to get copyright. You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, we got the
Alright, ladies
C5
and gentlemen,
setup.
we do have Jack from Gamma Financial Organization. Jack, can you give us just a...
Hey, guys.
Medicare supplement, and we also help people with life insurance, final expense,
C5.
indexed universal
cool.
life, and we'll be
I like
out
the
here
steering wheel.
till about 5 o'clock.
Old school truck.
Booth number 14. We also have a free giveaway. We're giving away a basket with a giveaway
That
basket.
thing's tough.
Come up, sign up, and have a window basket to the
All right, thank you so much, Jack. Thank you so much. Especially, he is available right now. He's walking around just checking out everything.
there's a
If
lot of
there's
cars
anybody
over
who
here.
needs something, he just ask him, "Hey, Jack, what do you have? What are some of the appointments?" Jack, I think you mentioned that it could be about an hour consultation, free consultation, giving information, nothing to sign up or anything else. Even you could do up to 30 minutes, you mentioned, in case for a lot of you that are really busy and so forth. So come and see him, Jack. He's going to be walking around and so forth, and he's going to be in booth number 14, and he'll have that free giveaway. Make
Seen
sure
this
they
thing
do
before.
sign up, right? Just to get this, just come and see you, get information, and that way that raffle will be raffled at a later time during the day. All right, thank you so much, Jack.
Yeah, this thing's cool. This thing's clean, man. Oh, there's the setup. He's judging them. Got a few old schools over here.
Wait till he turns 30, then give it to him. That way he'll treat it like it's perfect. Oh yes, he's spoiled then.
Grand National. Three valve. Huh? It's cool.
Well, you just do it now. Yeah, it's wet and you put it in makeup and keep it cool.
Yeah, it's starting to get hot.
That's the same way to do it. Around. But they run out of some stuff out here.
Yeah, a lot of old schools. This color's nice. Is this a C4? Color's nice, man.
Sir.
I can fit it, but it's gotta be on the other side of the garage. But I have to move shit around. She already got us. She already got us, bro. Oh, man, that.
Bel Air.
Now, what's your beer? Now, what's that beer?
I like this color, man. Old school. The exhaust on this thing. But people give me the funniest looks with this camera. That's sick, yo. Hey, they got some heat out here. 396. Definitely got some heat, man. Lincoln Hot Rod. I got a Mustang engine. This color's nice. Anybody hungry? I haven't seen one of these in a while. Got the IROC. That's automatic though.
Fix these settings.
Yeah, Trans Am. Like this on the Great Gatsby.
That's why I told Jazz.
This thing's cool. Hey, they got some heat out here, man. This thing is cool. It's like a van. Oh, he put the Vortec in there. Oh, it's an old school Suburban. Okay. The truck is clean. Oh, we got a hot rod pulling in. Let's see if y'all can see it. This convertible is nice. 2022 Shelby Super Snake. Oh, that seems wide body. Okay. It's decent, y'all. What the heck? It's electric. This thing's all electric. There's no engine. Oh, never mind. There's an engine. Old Bel Air. I don't know if y'all can see that green, but clean.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, booth number 15. She does have a raffle ticket for $10. They are raffling a
Another
Traeger
Chevelle.
34 pellet grill and smoker. $10 per ticket, so go see Kara. Also, right here on the DJ booth, keep in mind on booth number 14, we have the Gamma Financial Organization. They provide travel expense and legal insurance.
This is Cavender Chevrolet. Ooh, this Bronco's clean.
Is to make sure that you help me out, reach out, and those difficult conversations that you may have in case something happens to my family. They're there to help you out. Just go talk to them and also let them know that you have to to the tow pack that they have available.
It's a lowrider truck.
I brought my shirt. I never get to wear them. Huh?
Oh, that's cool. Tribute, man. I like that bomb.
That old Brian, I come off the road, I fell down.
Ram. Kind of crazy. Man, things slam. Everybody in the way. Color's nice. The flames. And interior could be better. It's nice for what it is, though. Another Camaro. Can't remember if I got this earlier or not, but let me get it again. Chevy SS. SN95, baby, keeping them alive. I don't know if y'all can see that color on camera, but it's kind of crazy. Three-wheel bike. Fox body. This is cool. It's got that rustic look. Old farm truck. Z06. It's hot.
Well, I did that.
Oh, that's cool.
I mean, they're not very
El Camino. Bruh. Another old rusty car. Some nice Mustangs. This color's crazy. See all these vendors they got.
But yeah, that's what happens when kids are left unattended, okay? Kids are left, he's probably one of those little people, right? Did you like that, Jordan? Did you like getting on the microphone going, whoo, yeah? Okay, practice that.
They not
buddy.
talking about
You'll be
nothing,
great
y'all.
on the news. I will tell you the best job your kids can have is the weather.
This is kind of crazy, man.
Because you can be wrong every single day and still keep your job.
I need something to drink. I ain't gonna lie.
That is not nice.
Okay, I don't know where they went.
Especially they do have a
Been a pretty good
GoFundMe
turnout so far,
account
man.
available with the
It is hot out
QR
here.
code,
As you can see, I had to get this little cooling towel, man, because I'm out here dying.
With love.
Sweat my
Anything
ass
will be
off.
greatly appreciated, especially with Kara.
It's a pretty good turnout so far.
They're inside right here. Once you
Yeah, that's the only thing.
go to the text number 15. It's a blue tent. Go speak
It's your first one.
and stop by the Gamma Financial Organization.
When
They
are they doing
are
the award?
in number 14 is the blue tent. This is where they help you with life insurance, final expenses, Medicare.
out here, y'all.
The great thing about them that they do provide a great service. It's their service. It's a consult.
You vote for 5 cars.
Giving you valuable knowledge.
I'm thinking about voting for myself because I saw another guy. We were here a minute ago. Guy was voting for it. I was like, oh shit.
Like you have to have your car in the show to be able to vote.
I think
They
I
are
don't know
giving
if they
away
gave me this paper when I answered
summer
it. They gave me
compact.
this.
So go see them, sign up.
It was like 25.
A minute or two, so forth, and they are making some
That's not
great
bad.
appointments. They usually take about an hour appointment just to make sure they go. There's a lot of great
So hopefully-
information.
Did you see all this stuff in there? They had a comedian. She was walking around talking inside.
Yeah, I walked around a little bit in
There's a lot
there.
of booze. It felt good in there.
Okay. I don't know what that is.
That's what I gotta find is like, so everybody has a little model car of their car.
Mm-hmm.
All those cars on there had it. You notice that? Even that old Mercedes, that old Mercedes over there.
Which one?
Over there, that old Mercedes.
Yeah.
Even they had one.
You got to get one for yours.
That she said. I was like, I don't know if we're gonna find it like that.
Going crazy, y'all. It's a pretty good turnout.
So that'll be $9.
Okay, I have a card.
I'm gonna ask you what.
Hey, y'all check them out, man. Chili Italian ice. What's that? What's going on? It's a Sony?
Sony?
Yeah.
Which one's
The
this?
CVE1?
How do you like this one? I've always thought about getting this one specific because I can't really out of pocket afford an FX3.
Yeah. Same here, dude. That's why I got this one. The only thing is,
How's the
it
IBS?
don't have IBIS. That's why I'm using this.
Yeah, you got there's certain lenses you can get.
Yeah, they have
IBS through, right?
through it on the lens,
Is
but
that one of them right there?
nah.
I don't believe it. I think whatever gets you the greatest product is the best product.
Yeah, I actually used to have Canon, but
What'd you have?
I had the R8, Canon R8.
We use EOS Rs and then we use
Thank you.
Thank you.
Y'all check them out, man. Yeah, what y'all talking about, man? It's not focusing. What y'all talking about? Hey, I remember you from bond sales that day. Oh yeah? Yeah, it is. Yeah, man. Oh, that's sick. Did he get bigger?
Yeah.
God damn, he's big now. How old is he?
A year?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Loaded nachos. That truck one, man.
Y'all see what's going on. Number 2. What you got?
They put the freaking cilantro. I didn't want it. But it's okay.
You don't like cilantro?
It tastes like soap.
Soap. Okay, what you got?
Some mini tacos.
Okay. Took 30 minutes. Y'all check this out. So it's a portable charger and a fan. Hey, it works. Kind of crazy. Do I ever use one of these? Yo, y'all, we're still here. I think they're about to start handing out trophies, so we're gonna walk over there and see what's going on.
The next one is car 46 from San Antonio, 2007 Ford Shelby, Austin Phillips. Austin Phillips.
Get one. See what happens. They get them all.
Next up from Marion, car 39, 1951 Chevy Suburban. Clifton Cruzade. Clifton Cruzade. Car 39.
All right, y'all, that's gonna do it. They just handed out all the trophies, man. We got some people leaving right now. I'm gonna try to get some cars pulling out for y'all. He didn't get no trophies this time, but get there. Stay tuned, y'all. I'm gonna try to get some cars leaving. Everybody's leaving, man. Y'all about to go?
Yeah, I think we're probably gonna go home for a little. What are you gonna do later?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get some of these cars.
Pulling
Pulling out.
somewhere, I'm not gonna. If we're gonna go somewhere like to the roller, I'm not gonna drive this. I mean, I'll drive this, but if we go somewhere else, then I'm not gonna take this.
All right. We got that big trophy in there. Yes, sir. Everybody's leaving. All right, y'all. I'm gonna start walking. We'll try to get some of these cars leaving over here. This thing's sick. That's crazy. What the? Why is she driving over here? You can't drive up here. Oh, look at that Mustang. That's clean. Little Shelby. Challenger. Okay. That's the dude with that lizard. Best paint. I think he won best paint. Little hot rod. Hey, he should have got best paint. There he is. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Got some Bel Airs pulling up. Y'all, I don't even remember where I parked at, man. I parked way in the back. Yeah. I didn't see that C7. There's a few more cars coming. I'm about to cross right here though. Y'all, let me know which one's the cleanest, man. I'm okay, I'm just right here. First, yes, ma'am. Thank you, though.
Take care.
First row. And that's it, y'all. Hold on, let me get this hot rod real quick. That thing is crazy. Look how low it is. Get this thing real quick. Must got AC in there if you got the windows up. All right, y'all. I don't know if you can see me, but that is gonna do it for this video. Man, it is hot out here, man. I'm dying. I'm about to leave right now, y'all. So make sure you drop a like, subscribe. Appreciate y'all watching, man. I parked way over here in the grass. So I'm about to go edit this video. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, man.